Hello, I have changed the About this Mac section of this iMac. This is not invented by me, I just borrow from other people, and you can see this is iMac 15-inch early 2014. This is the iMac here. Processor 2.3 GHz Intel Core i7. Memory 16 GB, 1600 MHz. Graphic Intel HD Graphic 4000. Serial number here and software here. Let's begin. First, click Apple, About this Mac, and then more information. You can see at the left hand side there is an icon of Mac Mini, and the name is at the right hand side, Mac Mini late 2012. First, we are going to change the name of this computer from Mac Mini late 2012 to iMac. We need a software to perform this function, which is TestWagger. We open it and then open a file, which is at User, Library, Preferences, and in the Preferences folder we need to find a file which is called com.apple.systemprofiler.plist. This one. And then we open it. Now we can see the name of Mac Mini late 2012 is located at the number 8 row. We just change the name here, and the information in the About this Mac will be changed. We change here to iMac. This is for the first row, and the bracket one is for the second row. We will change to 15-inch early 2014, and then we save it and then close it. Now we open Apple About this Mac, more information again. You can see that the name has already been changed to iMac 15-inch early 2014. Our next step is to change the icon at the About this Mac page from Mac Mini to an iMac G3. I've got an image of iMac G3 Blue Dalmatians here. This step is to change it from a JPG file to an icon. We use Preview to edit it. Click here and then here, and then we click and drag until the background change to pink color, and then we click backspace to delete the background. Convert, and the background will be disappeared. We also need to remove this. Now the image is ready, and then we click File, Save. And then we have to install another software, which is called Image2Icon, IMG2ICNS. We open it and then simply drag the image at the center of this window, and then click Icons, and then save it on the test at the desktop, and that's it here. The final step is to open Macintosh HD. We open System, Library, Core Surfaces, and Core Types Bundle. Right-click it, Show Package Contents, and then Contents, and then Resources. There are a number of icons here. What we need to do is use the icon we made to replace the icon of Mac Mini. We will first copy the name of this folder and then paste it to the icon of iMac G3. But we cannot drag it directly to this folder because the icon of iMac G3 will override the icon of Mac Mini. So we need to rename the file of the Mac Mini to add .bak at the back of the folder. That's it. Now the file name has changed, and then we can drag the iMac icon here. We highlight it and then close this folder. Now we need to reboot the Mac. Now we open the Apple About This Mac, more information. Now the icon has changed as well. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.